My name is Kamoto. I was just from a seminar that was teaching about CBC and how relevant it is to the Kenyan education and to the Kenyan child. And I'm very, very, very grateful for the trainers that have taken us through the things that we started some years back, and they're still very, very relevant. Especially to know that the things that we have at home, the things that we think are a waste, they're the ones that can be used to train our children to be better citizens.
My name is Tabitha Amboy, and I'm very grateful for these 4 days of learning. At first, I didn't understand what CBC was all about, but after these 4 days of training, it has changed my attitude. I have acquired skills and knowledge, and I'm ready to go.
My name is Peter. I'm very happy to have undertaken this training on CBC and STEM. And it's all about breathing and having the right attitude towards the CBC. Here you can see what we can make with everything that is locally available.
Thank you so much for coming and capacity building us on this. Personally, as a teacher, I learned so much.
Thank you.
Dealing with the students, the classroom management, preparations before even tackling a lesson.
Yes.
And that is the very key, preparation as a teacher. So I really learned a lot. Keeping records of the student, like for example we are having here. Yeah, so everything I will be keeping for my learners, and this will help me during assessment and even checking the progress of the student. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm Ian Karaoke, and I have learned that the CBC is the way to go. I have learned how to make this for my boys to play with letters, and I keep them busy in house making their names.
You have impacted me, my school, my society.
Thank you.
You have made everything easy, material making easy, and the class enjoyable. I loved your presentation. You've made me to be a better person from this house.
Thank you.
And I'm sure everyone who will mingle with me will praise not me, but the work that you've done in us.
I'm very happy for having you people around, for appreciating what you have shared. I pray that you put it in practice and give it your best to the Kenyan child.
I'm happy that the reception has been good, and STEM is normally a difficult subject to most of the participants, especially when you want to introduce it. But to Elimu Resource Center, it was just wow. The guys have impressed it. It has been impressive so far, and I'm happy to hear that you guys want to go and implement the same when it comes to CBC and when it comes to STEM. I'm really happy. As a facilitator, I would not mind coming back to deliver on various subjects or the same items. Thank you so much. We appreciate as STEM Impact Center. We are happy.
I'm very grateful for this opportunity to work with teachers and facilitators in Elimu. What has given me the strength to move on the 4 days is the attitude change, that everybody is able to do it. So I look forward to all the Kenyan children in Malindi, especially this area, embracing CBC in the highest best possible way. I like the enthusiasm of the teachers and everybody around here. CBC is the way to go, and CBC is here to stay. Let us embrace our learners and help them to remove out their potential, and then we will have a skillful nation. Thank you.
My take is that Kenya, we have one of the best curriculum.
Let's have trust in CBC.
CBC is the way to go. I've learned that we can improvise, and it's very cheap.
If teachers are enabled, CBC is the way to go. It's very easy to implement, and I like it.
Malindi will be something else in uploading CBC.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Continue impacting all the learners, irrespective of their condition, and God will help us. Thank you for appreciating the training, and thank you for loving CBC. CBC is the way to go.